Y-raise is a great shoulder stability exercise that targets both the rotator cuff muscles and your lower traps. To do it, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend over at the hips, keeping a neutral spine and bracing the abs. Just tighten it as if someone was about to punch you in the stomach or touch your belly with an ice cube. Let your arms hang straight down towards the floor, with your palms facing in and thumbs pointing forward. That's your starting position. Now, begin the movement by retracting your shoulder blades, which means pulling them together. Don't shrug your shoulders though, make sure you push them down. Then raise your arms at about a 30 to 45 degree angle from your torso as high as you can to form a Y shape with your body. Pause slightly at the top position and slowly lower your arms back down. As for the breathing for this exercise, I recommend taking a nice big breath in while squeezing the shoulder blades and start exhaling as soon as you reach the top position with your arms. There are two common mistakes to avoid. First, overarching the lower back and using momentum. And second, using too heavy weights you can't control the movement with. If you're a beginner, you can literally start without any additional weight, using only your arms. I promise that after 15 reps, you'll feel your lower traps.